Hey everyone, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this tutorial, we'll be checking out the brand grid block and teaching you how to personalize it to make some really cool brand displays in Gutenberg. Let's get started. As always, we're starting with a container block. Use a single column layout and customize the container padding to create a workable content area. Then, click inside the empty container block and select the brand grid from the pop-up menu. Under the Basic tab, you'll find two preset style options for the grid. The three buttons here allow you to show or hide the brand name, label, and logo link for the items. If you enable the logo link, you can change the link type between global, label, and title from the options. Next, you'll see the alignment options. There are separate alignment options for the whole grid and the content of the items. To customize individual items, unfold the brand grid parent block from the list view navigation and select the item you want to customize. Let's start by selecting the first item. The Basic tab allows you to change the logo image and resolution under the Layout section. For content, you have a brand title, tag, and URL field. Let's quickly customize all 4 grid items. Now, we can move on to the Style tab for appearance customizations. You can select the parent block to apply changes to all items equally, or customize each item separately, it's up to you. The first section in the Style tab is the Container section, where you can customize the height, border, box shadow, and background of the block container itself. Each of these options lets you change a bit of the interface, and you can see how changing values affect the interface on the screen. There are also padding and margin options right below the background color option. After the container section, you'll find the content part, which has a padding and background color option available. These options are only visible once someone hovers over the items. In the Photo section, you can adjust the size of your photos using the scroll bar at the top. You'll also find options for borders, shadows, backgrounds, and more. In the Title section, there's a typography option where you can customize the font style, including size, weight, style, and transform. There's also a text stroke option below that. Customize the title color for normal and hover modes and see how it looks on the screen. Once you're satisfied with the design, save it and get your brand grid ready to go. Take a look at some of the creative designs made with the brand grid block, which are available as patterns. These designs can give your web pages an extra kick. And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for choosing Zoloblocks. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest block tutorials. Stay connected with BdThemes for more exciting content.